أنا إيش اليوم فالجارس؟
So all these words have this particular feature I'm talking about. And we're going to listen to some native speakers actually saying these words. And I've chosen those recordings which kind of have a more pronounced glide, where you can really hear it. So let's give them a listen.
Tui, Sui,
Lee,
Gaeilge,
Bui, Coil, Lee.
Now remember, I'm not an expert, but as far as I can see, it's kind of a vowel sound changing to another vowel sound, but in the same syllable. And of course, the distance between this change, like if it's very broad to very slender, you're going to have a more pronounced glide. If the two sounds are closer, you're going to have a less pronounced glide, or maybe no glide at all. So it's essential we get these starting and end sounds correct. If we do so, the glide should just appear. Let's try it out. So what I'm going to do is try and say this word.
Gaeilge,
We could understand this word as being composed of 4 different sounds. The broad G, G, the AE diphthong, A, the slender L, E, and the GE, G. And if we let those sounds just happen smoothly, the glide should appear. Here's my attempt. Gaeilge. I wonder if we took what I literally just said and sped it up, what it would sound like. Would the glide just appear? So here's the same recording, sped up. Gaeilge, 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 Gaeilge. I don't know about you, but that sounds a lot more similar to the native recording
Gaeilge,
than saying something like Gaeilge. That was cool. Look at this. Just do that. Anyway. So let's try it with one of the other words. Let's try this word.
Bui,
So it's just going to be a broad B going up to the slender I fada. Bo, E. And the transition will create the glide. Here goes. Boy. And if we now speed it up, it sounds like this. Boy, boy, boy. And although it sounds a bit strange, I still think it's closer to the native recording
Bui,
than say bui. And the good news is that we use this same approach on all the other words. We just need to make sure the starting sound is broad enough, and it will create this glide as the sound moves from the back of our throat forwards. So for the word,
Lee,
we don't say knee, we'll say knee. For the word,
Sui,
we don't say see, we'll say see. For the word,
Coil,
we won't say quail, we'll say quail. For the word,
Bui,
we won't say bui, we'll say bui. For the word,
Lee.
we won't say lee, we'll say lee. For the word,
Tui,
we won't say tea, we'll say tea. And for the word,
Gaeilge,
we won't say Gaeilge, we're gonna say Gaeilge. So that's it. I'm sure those weren't perfect, but I'm gonna stop here. I hope I've been able to show you and let you hear this cool feature I'm talking about, and giving you some info that can help you learn to imitate this cool, very Irish sound. And if you want more information on how to produce the broad sounds, check out the other video I did. I'll put it in the description, or maybe it'll pop up here. That's it for now. Gaeilge.